Topic is ZEIT-ADVERBEN. ZEIT-ADVERBEN. It means time adverbs. So time adverbs shows the details of the action performed, details of the action performed, and time of the action performed. So what that adverb do? It provides the information or details of the action performed and also the time of the action performed. In German, we have four types of time adverbs. First, these are zuerst. Second one is dan. Another one is danach. Then it follows with am Ende. Okay. Zuerst means firstly, सबसे पहले. Dan means then, बाद में. Danach means after that, उसके बाद. Am Ende, what does am Ende mean?
At the end.
Correct, at the end. So these are our four time adverbs. Okay. Zuerst, dann, danach, am Ende. Now see, it has one rule. You have to learn that rule. Take lot of background noise. Position of time is either first. कांच वाला भी लगा दो. First or third. So position of time adverb is either first or third. Why? Because second position is always fixed for
Verb.
verb. Yes. So you can write time adverb. You can write zues, dan, danak, amenda in either first position or third. Both are correct. But you can never write it on second position. Okay. Now let's see some example. Let's make a small paragraph with the help of time adverbs. If I want to say that firstly we write the vocabulary, then how will I say it? Firstly we write the vocabulary.
The West.
Zuerst. Second position is for verb. Zuerst schreiben wir die Wortschätze. Firstly, we write the vocab, then we uh, uh, then we learn the vocab, then we learn the vocab. So dan lernen wir die Wortschätze. After that, we discuss the vocab. After that, we discuss the vocab. So, which time and verb do we use for after that?
Dana.
Danach diskutieren. To discuss is diskutieren. After that, we discuss the vocab. And at the end, we give a test. At end, am Ende, we give a test. So, am Ende geben wir, we gave a test. Einen test. Is that clear
Yes.
to everyone how to use this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take screenshot.
Sir, screen is not
Can
visible.
you show the blackboards?
Screen is not visible.
Yeah, not visible.
Okay, sorry. Okay, now is it visible?
But it's not clear. Some blur is there.
Okay, now
It's a little bit okay. Yes.
okay. So see.
Yeah. Just scroll down. So
Okay.
it's not able to see this examples. Ah, fine. This the after Danush, Danak. What is the word? What is
Dis
the word?
Diskutieren.
Okay.
Diskutieren.
Okay.
Okay, to everyone. Okay, got it. Got this topic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what is your homework? What you have to do from home? See, you have to tell me your schedule by using this. Zues, Dan, Danak, or Amanda. For like you can say, firstly I woke up. Then those who go to temple they can write. Firstly I woke up. Then I go to temple. Anything. It's your schedule. I would love to know your schedule. So make 4 5 lines, or you can make more than 4 5 lines. It's up to you. But use Zues, Dan, Danak, or Amanda. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Your homework.
Just come again one more time.
Okay, Karthik. So, what is your homework for tomorrow? You have to use time adverb, which
Okay.
is US, Dan, Danak, Amanda, and you have to tell me your schedule. For
Okay.
example, you can say, firstly, I woke up at 10 a.m., then I go to temple, then after that, I study. It's up to you. You can tell anything.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Got it.
Yes. You're welcome. Okay, so got it till here. There is one more